Today we have more details of a Bitcoin bottoming pattern. Let's just take a look at it real quick. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you about this Bitcoin bottoming pattern that is seeming to start playing out on this chart. We're seeing some other people starting to look into this pattern that we've been seeing on this chart. But if you've been watching my channel and watching my analysis videos for the last couple of weeks, you know that this was one of the scenarios we had. We had a bullish scenario and we had a bearish scenario, and let me bring you to these charts and show you where we have signs that the bullish scenario might be holding up just a little bit. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Bitcoin price is exploding right now. If you heard that sound, that's from Fiat Leak. That means the price is exploding right now in the amount of transactions over here, going crazy. So volume is picking up in the Bitcoin price. We can hear that right here. So let me mute that real quick before we go right in and start talking about the Bitcoin chart. But if you haven't already, check out my website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Got courses, all type of cool stuff on there right now. Trading course coming soon. So taking a look at this Bitcoin chart right here, we see some pretty interesting things. So the first thing you will notice is, well, first of all, let me give you the bearish news real quick. On the weekly, we're still below this moving average right here. Now, what's interesting about this is we've only been below the weekly 200 maybe like a couple times over here, and then way back here it was just for a couple weeks, but it hugged it pretty close and got back above it swiftly in a couple weeks. Over here didn't even get below it. Over here didn't even last 2 weeks, and right now we're trying to go back up and test it one more time. If we zoom in here to the daily, we start to see some bottoming patterns starting to show up on this chart. The first thing you notice is we have a double bottom right here, where you can see there's one bottom and there's a second bottom. So we'll go ahead and move this red line right there. We'll make that the double bottom. This purple line right here is the most important level on this chart to me. If Bitcoin pumps up to here and gets rejected by this line, that is going to be the most bearish scenario that we could have ever seen in right now, what's going on right now. That would be the most bearish scenario for sure, because when we go to the weekly, we'll see that that's the 200 moving average. We haven't really fully retested it all the way. So if we really come up here and like get rejected by this level, then things can get pretty ugly for sure if it gets rejected. If it pops above that level, things could be very interesting. I'm not gonna say they're gonna get bullish, but they can get very interesting, because you see what happens when we get above this 200 and start going. There is like 100% gain at least out of Bitcoin for that. And another thing that's making me a little bit bullish on that is looking at ETH. ETH is already starting to try to peek its way above it, although it's gotten rejected for 3 weeks already. So going back to this daily chart though, other than this double bottom right here, what's more important to me is what type of double bottom is this. If we go over here to the 4 chart, we can start to see things a little bit more clear. Now you're going to start seeing a lot of people talking about this, even though I've been saying, hey, there's a double bottom that could be a double bottom right here on these charts for the last little bit. Even this right here on the 4 hour could be another double bottom right here. But what I really wanted to talk about is this bigger pattern right here, which is this Adam and Eve pattern right here. Now, what's the Adam and Eve pattern? You got it right here. It's when the price makes a V shape and then a U shape. That's where the Adam and Eve comes from. Looking right here, let's take a look at it real quick. Adam and Eve double bottom chart pattern. This pattern is observed during a downtrend. So we were in a downtrend. It indicates a trend reversal, and it could be a bullish rally. Therefore, after, since it's a double bottoming pattern, 2 valleys are observed. And then you see the 2 valleys right here. You have this V shape, and then you have this U shape, which is the Adam and Eve, and that you can't deny that that's what Bitcoin is looking like right here. The thing about this Adam and Eve though, the price action could end right there where it started at that purple line. So we want to make sure that we get above that. So very interesting things going on. We still have our bullish scenario, we still have our bearish scenario, whatever, but Bitcoin is actually the bullish scenario is winning right now. The bullish scenario is showing more promise, and there's a higher percentage value, percentage probability that Bitcoin could see some more upside, maybe to the 22.5 level, or at the very least to 21.7. We might see it stop there today, but if it continues past 22.5, things will get very, very fun again for this crypto market. We're already seeing some of the altcoins starting to take off. We're seeing Ethereum do its thing right now, up 5%. We got Matic and these other coins, Matic and Near, they're up 10% today. So good things are happening in the market right now. And yeah, keep in mind that everybody was feeling the same way, and this could be the contrarian in the world showing its face. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment box of any cryptos you would like me to take a look at. And in the last time we were in a bear market season, we said we were hunting for gems. We found some nice coins. We found some 10x's, 50x's, 100x's, 1000x's. I want to do that again. So if you are a gem hunter, or if you know how to hunt for some coins, or you're looking to hunt for some coins, let me know. Let me know if you would like to get in the Telegram group. And I'm looking to start a new group of people who are serious about finding these cryptos early, and let's get this money together. RIP to Crypto Roots. Happy birthday to my boy Fresco, who made the intro beat for my channel. Till next time, peace.